Hello everybody, this is Rick. We've got something going on. You're looking at broccoli, carrots, and onions in the stir fry area. And what we're making are Pro Athlete burgers from Jane Esselstyn's channel. Just look up Pro Athlete veggie burgers. And we've got some black beans. Well, that's, we're going to do roasted red pepper. And there are the black beans. So we're getting the moisture out in the oven. And we've got parchment paper on it. And we're going to blister the roasted red pepper and then take the skins off and blend them up in the food processor. Yeah.
Do I need to turn them over yet?
Well, I was thinking you probably need to just swap places with the beans.
Okay.
Get that closer to the aisle. All right. Pro Athlete veggie burgers. I'll do a video on the finished product with that. All right. Thank you for watching.